So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about a complex order list. Yesterday we already done practice for the order list also, and a complex order list also we did practice. But today we will do revision and we'll do new thing, that is the unordered list. Okay, this one also. So first let me remind that previous question first. एक बार रिवाइज करा देता हूँ कल वाला क्वेश्चन. हमने वाला अप्लाई किया था ना order list. How to apply? First write the basic structure like HTML, head, title, tag, title, close, head, close, then body start. Then we write here one heading for this. Okay. Then we write here the OL type. Okay. First we write OL type, and then we write here A. A means it will come from alphabetic order. Okay. And start from the sixth. It means the sixth alphabet is the F. It will start from the F like this. Okay. Then we close that after Pluto this order list. Then we give here some break tag, and then we again start a new order list. Okay, OL for the order list, and we start from the number 11, and we did not mention it like which type is this, for alphabet or numeric value or Roman number. So by default it will come numbers, and I write here the start the from the number 11. So that's why it's coming from the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 like that. These numbers will come. Okay, so is the called the complex order list. Okay. So let me show you one more example of the complex order list. This is our question. Question 11. Yeah. So this is our one example of the complex order list. Okay. So let me show you the codings also for this. So it will be easy for all of you. Yeah. See. After body, we start the order list from here, and we mention the OL type I. It's mean the Roman numbers. Okay. OL type I, then we write the LI, list item country, and then again we start a new order list. Then after this country, again we start a new order list, that is the OL type A, means alphabets A, and we write here the list item India, Pakistan, England, Sri Lanka, Australia. So it's come like A, B, C, D, E till the Australia. Okay, and after Australia we close here the order list. So it's closed. Now again I write here the list item LI, but which kind of order list will apply on it? Not alphabetic, this one, because it started from here and close it here. But before this order list, there's another एक और order list था जो हमने start किया था, यहाँ पे इसको close नहीं किया था हमने, right? Numeric I, we write, sorry, alphabet में हमने I लिखा था, so Roman number 1, and then that's why जो यहाँ पे language लिखा है, इसके बाद यहाँ पे क्या लिखा गया? Roman number 2 like this. ठीक है? Again then we start a new order list. इसके बाद language के बाद फिर से एक नया order list start किया. उसका हमने क्या दिया? Type A the small letter. A small letter. So that's why हिंदी, इंग्लिश, उर्दू, फ्रेंच इन सब के आगे small letters में numbering आया. A B C D like this. ठीक है? उसके बाद again we write here the LI list item, and which kind of list it will continue? The first one, ये जो Roman number 1 2 था, इसी को कंटिन्यू किया यहाँ पे 3 के साथ. ठीक है? ये उसके बाद हमने क्या लिखा यहाँ पे? Order list type alphabet, and यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Start from the 6th alphabet. 6th alphabet is the F and the 7th is the G. So that's why it's called the F and G for it. Then we close this order list here, and now after that we close this order list. कौन सा order list close है? ये जो first यहाँ पे हमने start किया था, ये वाला. ठीक है? So it's like, that's why it's like that. अगर हम ये वाला OL यहाँ पे नहीं close करेंगे, ठीक है? If before this OL हमने यहाँ पे स्टार्ट किया था, OL टाइप I लिखा था ना, कंट्री, इसके बाद अगर मैं यहाँ पे बंद कर दूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? If I close this OL here, so here the numbering will not come. Before language, no Roman number 2, no Roman number 3. देखो, इसको सेव करते हैं, रिफ्रेश करो. It will come like this. Is it clear, all of you? Why it is like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे OL टाइप आई स्टार्ट किया था, कंट्री के बाद हमने यहाँ पे OL टाइप बंद कर दिया यहाँ पे ऑर्डर लिस्ट को, रोमन नंबर्स को, इसलिए इसके बाद ये कंटिन्यू नहीं हुआ। बट अगर हम यहाँ पे इसको कंटिन्यू, इसको हम क्लोज नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ये लास्ट तक चलेगा। इसको मैं सेव कर देता हूँ, अभी मैंने क्लोज भी नहीं किया, तो आगे भी कंटिन्यू चलेगा। ठीक है, एंड देन वी हैव टू क्लोज हियर आल्सो दिस ऑर्डर लिस्ट। इसको क्लोज करना जरूरी है, वरना ये बंद नहीं होगा। What will happen if I not close it here? अगर मैं यहाँ पे क्लोज नहीं करूंगा और मैं यहाँ पे कुछ और लिखूंगा LI करके, ठीक है, कुछ भी लिखा लाइक सिटी, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, आप ये सिटी से पहले क्या लिखा जाएगा, 4 नंबर लिख के आ जाएगा, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे बंद ही नहीं किया इसको, लाइक दिस। इज इट क्लियर? और अगर यहाँ पे बंद कर देंगे तो, अगर इसको बंद कर देंगे तो यहीं पे बंद हो जाएगा, फिर इसका नंबर 4 नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे बुलेट्स आ जाएगा बाय डिफॉल्ट, दिस नंबर। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
गुड।
yes, sir.
Okay, so now next question, okay, that is the unordered list, that is the unordered list. Now you have to study about the unordered list, this question. So let me show you example unordered list का, ये ऑलरेडी टाइप करके रखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन, एक वो दिखाता हूँ। Sorry, not 11, we have to open the question number 12. Now let me show the coding. Okay, now see, same basic structure. In the title we write here the unordered list. Okay, now we write here the is a heading, you can say this is a heading. Okay, it's not a coding, it's only the heading, like we apply here the disk type order list. Okay, ul means the unordered list, ul means the unordered list. I write here the ul type disk. Okay, then I mention here some items like mango, orange, grapes, guava, lychee, apple. I write some fruits name here, and then यहाँ पे क्या था, टाइप डिस्क, एंड देन वी क्लोज द यूएल हियर. ओके, अनऑर्डर्ड यहाँ पे क्लोज किया, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कम लाइक दिस द disk type bullets. Okay, unordered list. Then again we start new heading here like circle. Then I write here the ul type circle, and please write this in a capital letter, otherwise it will be a problem. Okay, in unordered list and that thing we write in a capital letter. Okay, then I write here the ul type circle. Then I write here some name of the fruits like mango, oranges, grapes. यहाँ पे again same चीज लिखा, but we apply here the unordered list type circle, so that's why this kind of circles are coming here. Okay, in the third type we write here the square, ul type unordered list type square, so because of square it's coming like this, square points. Okay, and then we close this ul here, unordered list. We apply here 3 types of unordered list. We use the 3 types of unordered list here, disk, circle, and square, and it depends on you which kind of option you want to apply. So I think, is it clear to all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this
Yes,
question
yes,
in
sir.
unordered list?
No, sir. No, sir.
That how to apply disk option, how to apply circle option, how to apply square option? Any confusion?
No, sir. Thank you.
No, sir.
Very
thank
easy,
you.
na? And
Sir,
the
very
order
easy.
list also same. Just you have to mention the type, that which type you want. You want alphabets or numeric or Roman numbers, and they start from numbering from which point. Okay, from which number. you can mention it here. So sometime when you are visit some website, so there's a mentioning na, all these things like number wise something is are there, or some question numbers are given there. होता है ना ऐसा? तो ये ऐसा ही है, ठीक है. Let me show you some example also. Like see, here's our numbering, right? Like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. These are numbering and these are disk option.
Order.
This is the order list
Unordered.
and this is the unordered list. And unordered list is the example of the disk, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can use this feature here. Whenever you're making website, you're writing something in an order list, or you want to make some text like that, apply some bullets, so you have to use this coding. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
कोई क्वेश्चन है तो
Okay,
प्लीज
sir.
पूछो.
No, sir.
Okay, good.